Hi! In front of me is REALME C53, and today I would like to show you how you can manage adaptive brightness. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Display section after scrolling down. Over here. Then click on this switcher next to Adaptive Brightness feature. This way you will turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!